watching me on Pop Diaries channel. Well, today I'm in conversation with the one who has left no medium untouched. When I say medium, matlab TV ho, OTT ho, silver screen ho, he has done it all. And he has served us some very impactful roles. But just like how he has baked his life in this industry to perfection, let's bake something sweet with him. So we are with none other than Nandish Sandhu in the Cookie Dough Cafe with the guidance of the very beautiful celebrity chef and culinary artist Shubhi Singh. Welcome to Pop Diaries.
Thank you, Manjari.
Thank you.
Wonderful to be here.
Shubhi ma'am, please come in. Before I begin, we would like to know what we are baking today.
Hi, how are you? I'm sorry, I'm going to be sitting down because
I wish we had his height. But today we are going to use your culinary skills in baking, and you have to tell us and guide us what we are baking today and how we are going to bake it.
Alright, so today we'll be baking tres leches cake, which is very famous these days, and it's a sponge cake, and 3 types of milk is used for soaking.
I want to know how much sugar goes into it.
Very less,
Oh.
don't worry, it's just 80 grams.
Good.
Great. Let's do it then.
Okay, cool. Let's start.
Shall we?
Yes, let's go. Cool, let's go. So first, what are we
I'll
taking?
just hand over this.
Let's start. We have just 3 ingredients.
Okay.
For the sponge, we have eggs, we have maida and sugar.
Mm.
Again, you can replace sugar with dates or sugar-free.
Superb. Next time we
Just
shall
for
do.
you.
Next
Yes.
time we shall do that.
Yes,
we'll do it
absolutely.
very soon.
तो पहले किससे चालू करेंगे? मैदा से?
Eggs crack करेंगे. Nandesh, you'll do it.
Yes, of
please
course.
go ahead.
You have
I've
to.
never cracked eggs.
I need your head. Okay. So we put the
Carefully.
full egg,
Yes.
right?
Yes. Wow. Oh my god.
Okay.
Wow.
Very good.
This is really
I'll
cool.
just pull this here.
Dude, he's really good. I mean, मैंने किसी को भी कभी इस तरीके से eggs crack करते हुए नहीं देखा है.
ये तो normal है यार. This is the most basic thing.
और मेरे को नहीं आती.
आप अंडे खाओगे तो वो भी आ जाएगा.
मैं अंडे खाती हूँ, मुझे बहुत पसंद है.
मैं ब्रेकफास्ट खुद बनाता हूँ तो मुझे आदत पड़ गई है.
Done.
Yes.
So clear cut.
So, before we go ahead with the next step, I would like to ask Nandish, just like you cracked so beautifully these eggs, I want to know, how did you crack Super 30 in your life? Because for me, I think that was one of the most impactful characters that I saw you doing. Not to mention, the movie was so beautiful, and it talked about a very, very important issue. So how did Super 30 happen to you?
It was a round of auditions. It wasn't as easy as cracking these eggs. Yeah, but then for an actor, skill is important. So you keep brushing up your skills. The way I learned how to break eggs slowly while doing it over the years. So yeah, it's like that for an actor. You keep brushing up your skills, and then I got the opportunity to audition for it. Mukesh Chabra's company was casting for it.
Okay.
So I got a call, and I had already met him for a couple of other things before, and went for a round of auditions. They liked it, and then eventually some other rounds followed after that. And then I was sitting in front of the director and the
Wow.
makers of the film.
Wow. Because
Yeah.
you were fabulous in it, I have to tell you that.
Thank
And
you.
for me, I think that was the turning point for Nandish Sandhu, the actor. Going
Thank you.
from, just, being a face in everybody's houses, you went to become the face of the nation.
Thank you.
So, yeah.
I'm glad that you think that way, because that was the idea of being able to do such a role, which was not at all like me, so
Yeah.
that we could, the idea was also somewhere in my head that I wanted to surprise my audience with that look and that feel.
We were, yes.
Yeah, I'm glad it happened.
Okay, on to the next step.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
We'll start beating the eggs with a low speed, and then slowly you have to increase the speed.
Okay. Now, no, I got it. It's to
Yes.
do with this now.
Start
Okay.
with 2, and then
Okay.
you have to and move
Okay.
this.
Okay.
That's all.
Wow.
And it has to be very fluffy and light. Now slowly you have to increase the speed.
Back to school, back to basics.
Yes.
It looks like roller coaster. I think we are baking the lessons of life only today.
It looks like you've never baked, if I bet or no.
Now we'll add sugar.
Well, I've never baked with fresh lettuce.
Should I stop this?
No, let it be.
Okay, sugar
yeah.
is here.
So this is 80 grams of sugar, 4 eggs.
Super.
Very less, don't worry. Easy to
Are you obsessed with fitness?
Not obsessed, but I like to stay fit, yeah. But I eat everything. I don't believe in crazy dieting. I've never done keto in my life. If I have to prepare for a role, I would probably just considerably reduce my sugar intake. Otherwise, I eat everything and I believe in burning it out. So, I'm not somebody who.
How do you
wanna
find the
crazy diet.
motivation amidst this? I mean, being an actor is very, very difficult, I feel, because you're again and again on and off the routine and everything, and you don't know what's happening tomorrow with your whole routine. Today this, tomorrow that. So how do you manage to get that motivation कि नहीं आज उठूंगा and I will burn out whatever I've eaten, I will burn out, I will work out for myself. How do you
See,
do that?
what you're saying is systematic chaos, where everything is slightly going to be chaotic. The work hours are going to be haywire, erratic work hours. Yeah, sure. So while doing that, at the same time, there has to be some. That's what works for me. That there has to be something that excites me every day.
Okay.
So I find my excitement in different things. Sometimes it's probably, if you're asking about fitness, so probably a new fitness routine maybe would excite me, or maybe every day meeting new people, auditioning for new things, working on new characters. So you find your excitement in different things.
Okay. But you've also done Khatron Ke Khiladi, and I'm kind of really
He has come for a
curious
big
about that.
session, I believe.
yeah. I just got completely into that mode. Okay, let's go for the next mode.
Next is vanilla essence we'll be adding or extract.
Okay.
This is the most important part.
Yes, for today. We have added what?
Vanilla
Extract.
essence extract. Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
And now we'll mix it once again.
How much extract have you added?
Approximately 1 teaspoon. That's enough.
Okay. So you can give it any flavor basically.
Yes. We are giving mango flavor to it, but we'll be adding fresh mangoes. No essence.
Okay.
Yum.
So it'll be vanilla and mango.
Yes.
Okay.
It's done.
Yeah. Okay. Great. Looks beautiful.
Yes. Now it's
Wow.
very light.
That's the
and
right
the
consistency.
ribbon. Yes.
Yeah. Correct. I know a little bit.
That's really cool.
Join us very soon.
I'll give you my secret later after we're done with baking.
So basically, this recipe has just 3 ingredients.
Okay.
3 dressed lettuce. So we have egg, we have maida and sugar. Again, for the soaking, we have 3 types of milk. That's all.
Three types of milk.
Okay.
Whole milk, condensed milk, evaporated milk.
Okay.
Oh,
Okay.
wow.
That's
Now-
after the baking is
Yes,
done.
yes. So this is ready. The eggs are ready.
And you're folding
And
it.
now we'll be folding the maida.
Perfect.
Okay. Let's
You'll
go.
do it
Yes. of
very
course.
lightly. You just have to do cut and fold that.
Yeah, I love it.
Okay. I'll add slowly,
I can add.
but very
Yummy.
little at a time.
Okay.
We will not be adding any fat into it. So good for you
Yes.
and for us as well. Slowly. Yes.
I am very ready to eat this now.
Yeah. What's the reason of folding this and not mixing it directly?
The air should not come out.
Yeah, right. You get full marks.
Thank you, sir.
Role reversal.
Pass ho gaya.
I've learned to bake a chocolate cake
Yes.
because
Last
of
time you were
Shubhi
there.
ma'am, yes. And she is one of the best, chefs out there to make you learn how
Okay.
to bake a cake.
You want to
Yeah.
add so that I can.
Yes.
Yeah. Great. Yeah. What was your next question?
Yes. So back to the conversation.
Okay.
I was going to ask you, you did Khatron Ke Khiladi. Now you've done Ziddi Girls as well. Just like the cake we are baking today, I want to know what was the most sweetest moment that you cherish even now. Like these were the moments which were sudden and you thought that I didn't think it would happen like that, but unexpectedly बहुत sweet surprises मिले. तो वैसा कोई moment है?
In terms of you asking about the projects that I've done.
Yeah.
A lot of them. I think all of these projects they've been surprises for me. It's just been that way that I've never had to, or I never intended to run after, or never had to run after getting a project. I've given it my best in terms of auditions, or if there's a look test which is happening, or if I have to go and perform in front of the casting director, I've done that. And all of them have been really, really sweet surprises for me. But I think, like you said, Super 30 was that film where it really made a difference to my career. And after that, Ziddi Girls, and it is Jubilee. All of these characters, they've really, really given me a lot. But in that transition, when I was transitioning from TV to films, and after a very, very long break, when I was waiting for the right role to come, I think Super 30 was the one which did the magic for me.
But it must not have been that smooth. I mean, this looks very smooth, but that transition wouldn't have been very smooth.
See, anything that comes easy is not as good. So if you want to compare it to this cake that we're baking, if I leave it and I don't put in the hard work in folding it, mixing it, it's not going to turn out well. So you have to be patient, you have to go slow, follow all the process systematically, and yeah, then just wait for it to bake.
And I'm sure that just like your acting journey, this is going to bake very nicely.
Yes, now I think it's done. We won't overmix it. Okay. Now we'll transfer this into the mold and we'll put it for baking. You just hold it. It has to come to the top because it's slowly settle down. Perfect.
Wow. Guys, this looks really, really nice. Yeah.
You're welcome.
Enough. Now we'll leave it. And snap it.
Yeah.
Done.
Perfect.
I don't know who thought of the recipe that today we need to do this, but thank you so much, Shubhi ma'am, because I have been manifesting this cake. In my family, no one has eggs.
The best.
So, yes. So, I don't get to eat tres leches because it cannot be baked without egg.
You eat egg, right?
I'll eat egg, yes.
Perfect.
So, that is
Now,
why.
guys, ready for baking. We'll put it in the oven
Superb.
at 160. So this we have evaporated milk, condensed milk, and which milk?
Whole milk.
Whole milk, correct.
Evaporated milk, condensed milk, and whole milk. Okay.
Equal quantities. 1:1:1.
Okay.
And we have 1 part of mango puree, the fresh mango puree.
Perfect.
Yum.
We'll just pour it here and then just whisk it once.
So what's the quantity of milk that you add to this?
See, like 100 ml, equal quantities we add. Depending on the size of the sponge, we use it.
Okay.
It has to soak completely.
And then we top it up with mangoes.
Yes, and some cream, fresh.
Okay.
Now that we are mixing it, I want to know, how did you whisk away? You know, this is something that I'm asking as a personal question also. When life gives you problems, how do you whisk that away with your mindset? Like, what kind of a mindset do you prefer to have, or have you preferred always to keep having, so that you can really whisk away issues from your life, be it the stigma, because I've seen this happening, and I've talked to a lot of personalities who've had the TV background and who've made the transition into silver screens. They've put in the effort, they are very hardworking, they're good at their work, but still there's always the stigma that whenever they are, people, they keep comparing them. This is where you've come from. So has this ever happened to you? And if it has, how did you get away from it?
I think it happens to everybody in all professions. It gets highlighted in our profession because we are in front of the camera,
Obviously.
and we get the opportunity to reach our audiences through such podcasts and interviews. But it happens in all the industries, because unless you go through these things and the troubles, if like I said, if it comes easy, then it's no fun.
Yeah.
And once you gain experience, once you enter a new industry or a new field or a new sort of company, even if you join a new company, you're going to have problems with your colleagues. There's going to be friction, the initial friction. You will get time. You will take time to mix up and get to know the environment, and then you learn the trade of the tricks. So you learn the rules before you can learn how to break them. So it's the same here as well. You change your medium from TV to OTT to films, or you want to go into theatre. It takes a little while to understand, because all mediums work a little differently.
True.
Although it's we say that it's acting, but the process changes. And you have to learn how to use that new process. There are different kinds of people with different perspectives. You understand how they think, how they feel, or what are they looking at, and then it becomes a little easier. I think it's all psychology.
Absolutely, I do believe that. Okay, let's go for the next one.
Now we have a ready batch, and we'll soak this.
This looks great.
You'll do that. Just
Yes.
soak it, pour
Should
it
I
nicely all over. Yes.
Pour it. Okay.
So again, we have 3 types of milk in this.
Condensed milk, evaporated milk, and whole milk.
Done.
You get to eat some cake.
I would have eaten it as if nobody can stop me from eating today.
So that it soaks.
Yes.
inside. Okay.
We should always leave this overnight so that the flavor is wonderful. It is nuances well.
So you soak it like this and
Yes.
put it in the fridge.
Yes.
Overnight.
Yes. It's
My
always
God.
better.
Okay. Nice.
Now we let it be in the fridge for some time.
So we meet after 6 hours.
Let's
Let's go, Chutti.
No, we still have some work. Now you'll be whipping the whipping cream, and again medium to high. Okay?
Okay.
Hold it. Yes, and stop.
This is the sweet cream.
So this is going to be like
For the freshness, yeah, you will have to keep rich texture on the top, and then the sponge and the milk.
yum.
And then the treadmill.
We can cheat once in a week.
Yeah, you can. Why not? Just some extra running.
Make us do cheating every day.
But what is your most favorite dessert as a baker? This?
Yeah.
Yes, I enjoy this.
Every baker loves stress testers.
Minimum ingredients. Minimum all these things, jam, and then you are sorted.
Some more?
Some more, please. The piece should be stiff. When you turn it, it should be.
Are you going to make this again on your own?
I will try.
You have to post
Just
about
3
it then.
ingredients.
Then
You
you will have
said
to.
3, but we ending up doing so much more.
That's the lyric.
It started with 3, then we went to do 4, 5, 6.
Come on, you can do that one. Everything is available these days at home. You don't have to go to the market at all.
Wow.
The same thing.
You took out some
Yes.
from that, okay. This is the same one just
Yes,
by
the melody, that-
soak kiya tha.
Yes.
So this will add some flavor to the topping.
Yes. Mango flavor will be there. And creaminess. We are done.
Yeah. So now while we are waiting
Yeah.
for everything to come together and for you to start
Why are you
doing the
looking here
topping
again and
and
again?
because I love mangoes.
Okay.
So, but what is your, now that we are baking, actually किसी easy question से चालू करते हैं. What is your most favorite dessert? Don't say tres leches.
No. I think I love having ice creams.
Ice creams?
Yeah.
I love ice creams. I really love it a lot. Same here. I love. Actually, I have a thing for sweet.
I love jalebi as well, and I used to call jalebi jabeli when I was a kid. So I used to always tell my dad jabeli khani when I was really like a kid.
Wow, super. Because I have a sweet tooth, so I love anything which is sweet. Bengali. So
Bengali sweets are really nice.
yes,
I just
especially the rasgulla.
I recently went to Kolkata in like 2 months back, and I went to a sweet shop with my friend, and she took me to one of the I don't remember what it's called, that shop, and we had so much mithai there, so much mithai, like every possible. I must have tried at least 9 or 10 mithais over there. So that was the meal, that was dinner.
But when you are, seeking comfort food, because I feel that, when you are an artistic background, you always have food as a comfort. For me, food is comfort language. It's love for me. So when you are seeking comfort food, what is your go-to food choice?
A lot of things, but it depends also where I am, what weather it is. For in summers, I like drinking a lot of good things. Like I would love to have smoothies or fresh juices, nimbu pani. I don't enjoy hot drinks. Otherwise, when it's winters, I love hot chocolate. I would love to add some marshmallows in my hot chocolate and have it. I love having soups when it's winters. Mumbai doesn't have winters, but I'm from Rajasthan, so when I used to be there, and now when I'm going out for shoots and all, if it's winter, if I'm shooting towards the north in winters somewhere. So I remember last time I was just having so many different kinds of soups in winters because I was shooting towards the north of India, and so it keeps changing. But if you ask me, and I love chocolates.
Yeah.
So chocolates is my midnight binge. When
Guilty pleasure.
Yes. So when sometimes this suddenly that booth that comes inside,
Yeah.
I'll get up at night and try and find some chocolate in my house because I don't keep it in the fridge or I don't keep it easily accessible because I'll keep having
Yeah,
it.
exactly. Man hota rahega.
So if there would, I know there is chocolate somewhere at home. I have hidden it somewhere, and then at night, after 4, 5, 6 weeks, if I feel वो नई craving जा रही है, दिमाग से नहीं निकल रहा है, then I'll start looking for it. Where did I keep it? Where did I? So then I'll take out some chocolate and have it midnight. So yeah,
That's so
it keeps
cute.
changing.
But I want to ask you this tricky question. I feel it's tricky because most of the people can't get it. So the thing is that as a third POV, if I ask you how you would like to describe yourself as a person, and 3 things that, not 3, even 1 thing that you would like to change about yourself, what would that be?
As a third person POV, I think one would be that extremely particular about things.
Very detailed.
Yeah, too much into detailing. That gets annoying at times for other people. Not for me. I love it. I enjoy it. But for other people, it gets a little annoying at times. So my parents also, my friends also, they're like, let's move with it and let's no, let me finish this properly first. ये खत्म करेंगे फिर दूसरा काम करेंगे. So I typically think in boxes. So for me, I have to finish one thing, then move on to the next thing. I can't do multiple things at the same time. Or if I have multiple drawers open, then I'll make sure that I shut those drawers, finish that work, and then move on to the next ones. But it gets very difficult for me to. It's I don't know. It's sort of OCD.
Yeah.
Maybe
I think
kind
it's
of.
fine.
A
बहुत
kind of.
लोगों का है
A
ऐसा.
kind of. Yeah.
Yeah.
So it gets a little annoying as a third person. A lot of I think Nandish would also be he comes across as very serious at times, but I don't feel I'm that serious. I like having fun, but yes, I do hear from people that you're too serious.
Yes, I've heard this a lot of times. Actually, my mom is a very big fan of you, and उन्होंने मुझे बोला था since the time of Uttarayan actually. So she told me that just see if he's very serious or not, and I'm
Really?
like, no, I don't think so. All the people that I've met who look like they're very serious and very like focused and कुछ और चीजों के बारे में बात नहीं करेंगे, सिर्फ काम के बारे में बात करेंगे, whatever, they actually came across to be very मजाकिया. So
yeah, I think what happens with me now from my point of view, if I think about myself, I think what happens is when I'm into something, then I'm into it. Then I don't like distractions. And if somebody meets me at that point of time, they think that he's too serious about what he's doing.
okay.
But when I'm not doing that, when I'm in a chilled out mode or when I'm just relaxing, then it's a different thing altogether.
Yeah, depends on the situation.
Yeah, and the third thing.
Okay.
Serious.
He actually has them. Most of the people don't have them. Yes, let's go. Third thing.
Like I said, serious. So I think the third thing would be people from a third person's point of view. I think that he's too particular about his fitness, or he doesn't cheat. He's into strict diets and all of that. That kind of perception about Nandish, but it's not that. I eat everything. I've always said that I've never followed any diet. I've never been on a strict no sugar regime or no fat regime or nothing like that. I just keep balancing it and according to what my body needs and according to what my characters need, and try and burn it out. Rest of it is genetics maybe. But
Motivation.
Yeah, so
I also need to do the same thing.
So these three perceptions I think we can have about.
Okay. But don't change the last one.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Okay. But what are we moving on to next?
Yes, now the final step.
Okay.
No more ingredients.
Yeah? Super.
This is the last one.
Just the plating. So this after 6 hours will look like this. Wait. No hurries.
I wouldn't have it.
I'm telling you, इसके बाद जाके the first thing he's doing is opening his own bakery and like fresh leches बनाते हैं.
Okay.
You do it? Come on, better baker.
I would like to believe so. Need that.
Cake table you need? Not cake table. A little more first time.
What is that table?
Cake table.
Okay.
It keeps
The turning
revolving
table.
in
Yeah,
this.
Yeah, I was about to say that.
Carefully. From the center. Start from the center.
So this has the same.
Yes, the
queen.
same. Swirls.
So I never was able to make these
You want
swirls.
to do it?
She actually taught me how to do it.
Yeah.
Yes.
And now you can garnish with oil.
Yay,
Ready.
let's go.
Nothing else.
You can put it in the center also, wherever you wish.
See, it's a flex now. Then I'm going to be eating a cake made by Shubhi ma'am, and who's a celebrity chef and culinary artist, and Nandis Sandhu. See, I love my job. I hope you will be adding more mango now.
That's it for you.
It's very expensive. And one is missing.
Yeah, you missed one.
It's good.
Yes, it looks very good.
So our tres leches is ready. The mango one. Mango tres leches. Yay!
My most favorite is this.
Love tasting.
While we are waiting for the slice to come and for me to eat, I want to ask you this would be my last question actually. So, what is that one thing that you have manifested in your life and it has literally come true, which has made you believe in the power of manifestation and positivity?
I think this started during COVID times when there was a lot of time to introspect and
Yes.
a lot of time to reflect on your life choices, on the way we are leading our lives. Everybody had a lot of time, and we were not running in that rat race to reach somewhere because everything had come to a standstill.
Absolutely, yes.
So I think that's when it happened for me also. And the one thing that I really wanted to do in my life is to take it slow, go slow, and enjoy every day. And that is something which has been happening now. I enjoy the process more than stressing about tomorrows. And even the kind of work that I'm doing now, I think it's easy flowing in terms of, and I feel it's easy flowing because I'm enjoying the process. I've realized that whenever I used to stress about work, it would not, or even if it would materialize, I would still be stressing about the next thing on the table. You know, about the agreement, about the monies, then about the script, then about going on the set. So everything was a stress for me. And after COVID, things have changed in a way where I've learned to go with the flow. So I don't know whether I would call this manifesting, but I thought that this is how I want to lead my life henceforth after whenever we go back to normal. And that's been happening. So I think it's all here. So whatever you think happens comes to reality.
Can we imagine the cake right now? Eating
Just
it.
imagine
I am
you-
manifesting eating the cake and it's happening right now. Yeah, but I have manifested
Superb.
fresh veggies. See?
So the baker will taste first.
मैं तो रील डालने वाली
So
हूँ.
please enjoy your dessert.
I manifested the cake and Nandis Sandhu brought the cake to me.
मतलब बेक किया है, पहले खुद खाओ, ठीक है कि नहीं?
Let's not take chances.
आपको तो मिलेगा ही नहीं.
How's it? Rate
Very
it.
nice.
Rate. 10 के अंदर
Really
कितना?
nice. No, see, I anyways love mango, so I'm going to be biased. But I think a 9 on 10 because there's always room for improvement.
Yes,
Nothing is perfect.
Absolutely.
We can always add something to everything. So I would say it's brilliant and a 9 out of 10.
Spoken like a true star.
Now it's your turn,
Yes,
ladies.
please.
Lady.
मेरे लिए बड़ा स्पून दिया, उनको पता ही है.
Nice. Good job.
Great job.
Yeah. Perfect.
This is really good. I mean, this is really good. Seriously. Yeah. And while we plan our next baking session and our conversation with Nandis Sandhu and Shubhi Singh over here, well, you will go like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to click on that bell icon. Don't forget to comment and tell me what you loved about the video. And please join Shubhi ma'am in her classes. Learn how to bake. It's the best meditation out there, at least for me. And always keep watching Nandis Sandhu. Bye.
Thank you.
Thank you.